womanlywealthacademy.com with Louise and Maurice.
You are feeling unstoppable now, and your eyes are open to, wow, wellness just isn't about health. Wellness is about every area of someone's life, and the fact that they are just feeling so stressed out and they don't have work-life balance and they're just off kilter, right? They are unwell in every area of their life, and you as a wellness coach are going to have the solutions as you continue on with this course. But knowing that you can easily connect with people, that makes you feel unstoppable. So let's recap what you learned, right? In step one, you learned that foundation piece, right? Which is so valuable, but you also learned the strategy, right? That strategy for preparing for success, because that's step one. Step two is to read their minds, right? When you know what's really going on, right? When people are unbalanced in every area of their life, it affects their health. When they're healthy, it affects every other area of their life. When they're stressed, stress impacts every area of their life, and you understand that. In step three, you could learn, right, about moving them beyond their fears. That is so important because they've got these fears. And then in step four, you clearly know now how to build rapport quickly. And then in step five, to show value. But yeah, I love that step two. When we go back to that and reading their minds, a lot of coaches stay away from networking events because they don't know how to connect with people. But now you have that information and you can enroll people into your program. But as we continue on, we're going to look at the assessment. This assessment is something where it really opens up people's awareness, right, to what wellness is all about. And, it's that holistic way of looking at wellness, because if people are only doing piecemeal, right, only one area of their life, yet all the other areas of their life are falling apart, then it's not going to work, right? They're still going to not be well. And this is where, with this assessment, you get to bring this to their attention. And then I give you some insight on how to use that again to enroll people in your coaching. Because you're not a wellness coach if you don't have clients to coach. And that's where I want to give you everything that you need so that you show up as that confident person, right? That empowered coach that can lead and guide your clients to wellness. And that's when you make that positive difference in the world and you make money. Again, I am your instructor, Louise Ann Maurice. I am the creator of this. I love this, and it's so great that I can share it with you and that you can use it to help others achieve results in their life. So as we continue on, I want you to think of me as being right next to you, right? I am your guide, and reach out with any questions in the Q&A area. Let's continue.